Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view your barometric pressure or barometer on your Suunto Vertical watch. Just like everything else, you've got a couple different ways. The most basic way to view this is added as a data field on your watch face. There's different watch faces available for this watch, and the data field can be different depending on what those different watch faces look like. Usually it's going to be either your barometric pressure in units, or you can have the barometric pressure in units as well as this trend arrow up here. The trend is basically going to be what's the barometric pressure been doing over the last 6 hours. The middle part to the right is the last 3 hours. The middle part to the left is the 3 hours before that. So there's your most basic way. My barometric pressure is 1,026 hectopascals. And then you can see that it looks like my barometric pressure is kind of stabilized. It was getting better for a while there. So that's what we're looking at. Now, what if you want to see some more information besides that? How would we do it? You could go to the widget, have it installed on the watch. I've got that. I'm going to go ahead and press the down button. Now, I'm using buttons here. If you're a touchscreen person, we could obviously use touchscreen. And there is a widget called ALTI and BARO, which is altimeter and barometer. They are lumped together, so you don't have a separate altimeter function and a separate barometer function. They're going to be together on this watch. I wanted to mention also that this information is coming from the sensor that is built into the watch. It is not coming from your cell phone. So I'm at 74 meters and 10,026 hectopascals. If I wanted to go in and see more information, I could press the middle button to go into this widget. The very first thing you're going to see is your altitude. If you press the down button, you can see your barometer information. It's kind of silly the way they did it. You can see that the title is kind of cut off. Up here, it's fine. I can see, okay, there's my altitude. That's supposed to say barometer, but you can't read it. Again, we see the same thing as what I had on my watch face. My current barometric pressure, the trend, and then down here I can see a graphical representation of what is the barometric pressure been doing over the last 12 hours. This cannot be adjusted. So everything you're seeing here is basically as delivered, and it can't be changed with the exception of your units. You could either change it from hectopascals or inches of mercury. Those are going to be your two options. I've done a video in the past that shows you that. Pretty simple. Once you're done looking at your barometer values, you can press and hold the middle button. It'll take you back. Press and hold it again. It'll take you back to your watch face. And that's the basics of viewing your barometric pressure on your Suunto Vertical. I hope the video helped.